Welcome back to the new video in ChatGPT with Power BI. So you might be expecting that I need an internship. I get a lot of calls and lot of messages. I need to work for you. I need to understand how do you work in the company. Prepare me so that I can work in the organization. I have hired few interns. I have trained them so that they get deployed in the organization. But it's very difficult to train everyone on internship, and you don't get easily all the internships everywhere. Some people get it, but now how to solve that problem? You need an experience. You need to understand how corporates work. So some colleges have already started. They send their students in second year, third year, first year to for the internship so that they can get a real time experience rather than sitting in the classroom. And when they actually get placed, they perform much better than the other participants. So how do I ask ChatGPT for internship, and will it work or not? So as I said earlier, many times 80% you can trust it is reliable that ChatGPT is going to give you all the answers correct. Now, 20% is something which you have to validate by yourself and you have to put your brains whether it is right or not. Now, I'm going to tell you a secret by which you can ask ChatGPT that it will give an internship of 30 days to you and you can start using and working on that. And it will also validate the answers accordingly. Let's try to see and get the answers. So, not for 30 days as of now, I'll ask them to give you internship for 7 days. Let's see. All right, so I've written here, I want you to behave like a CEO of an IT company which works in business intelligence tool. Now, since you're working in Power BI, I'm talking about that. Treat me as an intern and give me an internship of 7 days. I said 30 days, but let's try for 7 days how it works. 7 days, no internship is there. Always remember. I want to give me an itinerary for 7 days that what I'll be doing in the morning, what I'll do in the evening, and so on. So I want you to teach me some concepts practically. Okay. Make me work for you so that I can get to learn practically and how this industry works. So now I'll just enter, and what will happen is it is giving me all the details, all the itinerary for what will happen in the next 7 days. So let's see. Number one, the first day, what this person is doing, the person is giving me an orientation and introduction to business intelligence. Now, orientation, what is your name, what company is there, what is the vision of the company, what is the mission of the company, what I'll be doing, what is the colleague name, etc. So this is saying as morning welcome, and then overview of business intelligence industry, and afternoon meet your team, understand the business intelligence, and so on. So now day two, data gathering and cleaning. Day three will be having data warehousing and ETL processing. Four would be data visualization. So if every day it has given a proper plan, what will happen? Now I can ask them again, can you now explain me day one in a detailed manner? Give me task now for day one. Okay. So for day one, it will give me the task. It understands the question what you're asking. So here it says in the day one company overview, this will take some 1 hour. Okay. So reflection and discussion will be happening for 1 hour. So all the details. Now again, you can ask me, can you give me practical project on day one? Okay, because you are a Power BI expert, you don't want to waste your time. Now you can just ask them practically, give me some answers or explanation. Now here it's saying choose a data source for 30 minutes. Select a topic that interests you, stock market, weather, social media trends, and then identify reliable data source and so on. This is asking you step by step what you want. Now you can tell them, don't ask me options, directly you give me what you want, right? Don't ask me options, give me task directly. Okay. So because I don't have any information and it I want them to give me the answers directly. It is not getting the answers. So it again says choose a topic that interests you, and then it is doing asking the same thing. But however, if you ask them again and again repetitively, this will understand what it says, you do the practical thing. Now trust me, many people may not understand this, but this is what ChatGPT is giving you 80% correct answers, correct internship, so that you can try and practice that thing. Many people will ask the questions, but they'll not do the practically. When you do it practically, what it is trying to say, you put in your resume, it's a fake experience by ChatGPT, but it is something better than nothing. Rather than having sitting at home and fearing that AI will take my job, neither you're learning Power BI, neither you're learning AI. Instead of that, start studying something every day which is going to help you crack a job, right? So don't get confused between ChatGPT and AI. What will be staying in the market, that is not your work. Your work is to study everything whatever comes in the picture. One month, 15 days it takes. It doesn't cost you everything is free now. Internet is free, YouTube is free, and trainers also like me comes almost free. So you can start working on that. Perfect, everyone. How to get the internship with ChatGPT for Power BI. I hope you've understood. That's all for this video.